if you want to record phone calls on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the first thing that you can do is you can check if you have a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. Now, the easiest way to check this is by simply starting a call, and then in the call menu you can try to find the call recording button. Unfortunately, in my case, it is not available. I believe it is not available in many countries. However, you might be able to actually find it in here. If you do, that's great. You can of course use it to record calls, but in case you don't have it, then like in my case, we have to get a third-party app that allows us to record phone calls. So for that reason, we're gonna go to the Play Store, and then over here we can use the search option. And then in search, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use the search field, and we can type call recorder. There we go. Now we should be able to find many example apps that of course we can try. So feel free to try any of these apps, whichever you would like to try. Now, in my case, I'm gonna use this one over here, the Call Recorder Cube ACR. I'm gonna install this app, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. And like I said, feel free to try anything else, but I'm gonna use this one in this example in this video. So once we open the app, then over here we need to tap on Next. We need to grant all of these permissions. There we go. Let's allow everything. Then over here we can disable power optimization. I'm gonna actually do that. I'm gonna press OK and then confirm. Then over here we have call location tagging. We don't have to agree to that. We can tap on a note thanks and then OK, got it. Over here we have this premium offer, which we can close by using X in the upper left corner. There we go. And then here we have the option to install helper. Now it is not necessarily required, but it is recommended to get the helper. So the helper allows the main app record calls properly. There might be some issues, maybe the phone will try to block recording the call, so of course the helper is supposed to prevent that from happening and allow the main app actually record the phone call. So we're gonna install the helper. You want to tap over here. In my case, I'm gonna use this browser over here, so you'll be probably redirected to this website over here. And thankfully, we can get the helper from the Galaxy Store. So if you tap on Get Helper on Galaxy Store, then you will be redirected to the Galaxy Store. Of course, you need to probably have a Samsung account to be able to use it. But we're going to tap on Install over here, and we need to, of course, wait for the helper to be installed. And once it is available, we're just going to open it straight away. And we need to set it up again, which is quite simple. So tap on Next and grant permissions. There we go. Now over here we need to tap on Enable App Connector, go to Installed Apps, choose Cube ACR App Connector, and then we need to turn it on over here and tap on Allow. Now we're going to turn off power optimization, so we're going to press OK and then one more time. And there we go, the main app is now set up. We can tap on Open Cube ACR to be redirected to the main app. And before we try to start recording our calls, you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and over here you can check if recording is already enabled. Besides that, we have a couple of settings that you might want to check out just to make sure that the recorder works exactly as you want it to work. And mainly this app starts recording calls automatically. Now I believe in settings you can actually choose which calls should be recorded automatically, but you don't have to go to the app or anything like that. Once the call starts, the app should start recording as well. So I'm gonna call myself, and as I answer the call, we can check out notifications. And as you can see, these two apps, the main app and the helper, are indeed working in the background, and they are currently recording the call. Now, unfortunately, there is a slight disadvantage of using these third-party apps, and that is the fact that most of the time, if not all of the time, these apps, these third-party apps that are supposed to record phone calls, do not have access to the earpiece, which is usually used to listen to the caller. So usually if you answer your call, you of course put your phone to your ear and you use the earpiece over here, the ear speaker, to listen to the caller. And usually these third-party apps do not have access to this speaker. So it's very hard for them to actually record the caller. You might not be able to hear the caller properly once you play back the audio, of course. So in order to help the app record these calls, you can use the loudspeaker. Of course, this can be very annoying to use for some people. I can understand that, but unfortunately, this is what we have to do to make sure that these recordings are clear, that you can actually hear the caller on the recording. So this is what you need to do to simply avoid not hearing the person on the recording. Once we are done with the call, you should be able to find the recording in the Cube ACR app. So you can open it, and there we go. Here you should be able to play it straight away. You can tap on these 3 dots on the right side to find some additional options, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.